This is Dr. Rugenstein. We're over by that Livingston Avenue swing bridge, and just going to take a quick look around here. Not going to really get down in there right now, but I hear some train whistles, and so boy, from where I can see here, let me turn this around. From where I can see, I'm not using my usual camera. From what I can see, there has been a lot of stuff going on here. I have a feeling we're going to see some trains moving shortly. I think so. Because it's red lights going that way, and this is all red lights on this rail here. So we'll see what's going on. Not sure at the moment. I hear them, but I don't see anything yet. We'll pick up if I start seeing something. Well, I hear a lot of whistles. Let's go up here a little bit. See if there's anything I can see from up here. Oh, maybe. By golly, I think there's something backing up in here. And I think what they do is they go across the bridge and then back into the yard. Or, there it is there. No, it's just an Amtrak. No, this is a scheduled run. Yeah. They can only go over the bridge at 15 miles an hour. So we came at a good time. Real good time. That's headed, I didn't see what it was, going towards Syracuse. But, going slowly. And that is the Albany skyline over there. The tallest building there is Corning Tower. Over there, Corning Tower. Well, we're in luck. I didn't think we'd get to see anything like that today, but just a little short, a little something. So with that, I'm going to pause and see if anything else pops up. Well, it looks like we've got one backing up here, and it's going to be put away in the yard. So it's going to come right past us. I'm not going to be this close to it, of course. You see it backing up. When I saw the red lights, I knew, well, I didn't know, but I was pretty sure they're going to move a train here. Let me get off of the track here. I don't want to be bothering them. Going to come right back through here. Right time of night. Putting it away for the night, I guess. Now they're going to back all the way down here and switch, I think. Yeah. Got a sleeper on there. St. John's River. You see the beds up on top. 85 and 116. I think these are just sort of like yard dogs or something like that. We're going to watch this switch right here. Now, let's see what we can see here. Wow. There we go. See it switch? There it goes. It's switching. I don't know if you picked that up or not. But we gotta make sure that all of them. Here we go. Now they're gonna put that in the yard. Glad I came down here to take a new look at the bridge, see what they've done. Going nice and slow. Making sure these, yep, there we go. See, it's going across over that way, and it'll cross the bridge. Well, not all the way across the bridge, but it's got to go across so that they can back into the yard. By the way, this is sort of added in between when I once stopped and the ending, I guess, if you want to think of it that way. Lounge car. Now that'll just go across the bridge enough so that it can back in. A little farther. He's got to clear. I think he's got to clear part of that bridge part right there at the end, that trestle end. All right. I would suspect he's going to back up. Yeah. The sun is really bright, and I don't know what I'm looking at, really. Watching the switches are moving, and I would suspect they're going to move it back in pretty quick. There they go, backing into the yard. Well, maybe not into the yard. Maybe they're just switching directions to, I don't know. The yard's farther over, I thought. No, that's it. They're backing into the yard. It is one hot day, I just want to tell you. '85 and 116 Amtrak. Livingston Avenue Bridge, the swing bridge. It's going to be replaced. And there it goes into the yard. Well, I was just standing over in there, and I thought I would take a walk over here and see what I could see. This, believe it or not, that used to be like an island at one time, and that's what that big depression is that I couldn't figure out what it was. It was right over there. A little bit better view of the bridge. 787 on the other side. I think that's it for right now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, ring the bell, tell others, leave a comment, and I'll see you soon. And I'll tack on something else here if something comes through. So have a good day. This is Dr. Rugenstein. Thank you for watching. I really, truly appreciate it. Please help me reach 5,000 subscribers. Have a good day.